Hi, I'm Erik from Nebraska Furniture Mart, and today I'm here to talk to you about the DJI Spark Drone. The DJI Spark is an entry-level drone to where you can get up to 16 minutes flight time per battery. The camera on it can take 12 megapixel stills or record 1080p video up to 30 frames per second. You can fly with your smartphone or add a remote for more advanced features. And you can even fly it with just your hand. The Spark has a 3D obstacle detection system, which means that it'll help prevent crashes. If you have any other questions about the DJI Spark or any other product, feel free to stop by our stores in Omaha, Kansas City, or the Colony, Texas, and ask any one of our digital imaging sales associates. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe.